Welcome back to my channel, Burst of Sunshine. It's Ashley, and today I'm gonna do a really quick, short, easy, super simple craft project. Today we are going to be making this cute little goblet, which I'm actually going to use for decoration. It's like a super easy, cute little decorative piece, or if you just wanted it for one-time use at a party, you could throw it away afterwards because they're so cheap. I don't actually know how you would go about washing these since it's just held together with hot glue. But, I mean, you do you, boo. I'm going to use mine for decorative purposes. I've actually got a table at my front door, and as soon as you walk in, I've got those set up with some other Halloween decorations, and it looks really cool. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, because I'm posting every week, sometimes twice a week. If you guys want to see how I did this, keep watching. I found this pack of 2 plastic goblet set at the Dollar Tree for $1, so you kind of can't beat that deal, and they look perfect for this project. I kind of like the little details that it has. So anyways, I'm going to take these goblets and we are going to fancy them up a little bit for Halloween. I've got my hot glue gun warming up, and I have these little plastic hands which I got in a pack of 5 for $1, and then this little ribbon wrap that I also got at the Dollar Tree for $1. So this is going to be a very affordable, cheap craft that makes a really cute decoration. So I'm going to take my ribbon and measure it around my cup to see how much I need, and then I'm going to trim it to the size to fit around the cup right about in the center of the goblet, and then I'm just going to hot glue this on. Again, I'm not sure how you would wash this because it is just being held on with hot glue, and the water would probably mess up this ribbon, but again, I'm just using mine as decoration anyways, so that's kind of the purpose of this, is for decorative reasons. So I'm going to sit and let this ribbon completely dry. I'm going to hold it in place so it doesn't move. And then once it's dry, look, our goblet is already looking just a little bit more Halloween. So now I'm pretty much going to take these hands and decide where I want them to go and how I want them to look like they're holding the cup. And then I'm just going to hot glue it in place. I'm going to put a little glue around the edge of the cup where the fingers will be touching it. Then I'm also going to put a little glue on the base of it where the palm bottom of the hand will be touching. And then I'm just going to attach it and hold it there until it is dry. Once it's dried, I'm going to go ahead and glue the other side on, pretty much using the same method, putting a little glue on the top and the bottom, and then just sticking the hand on it and holding it there until it is completely dried. And now it looks like 2 little skeleton hands holding the goblet, like creepy hands holding the goblet. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in a couple days for another project. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!